More disturbing domestic terrorism seems to be happening. It's just one after another every other day or every couple days now. It seems to be accelerating. This is also in Ohio. It is a metal factory. An explosion tore through an Ohio metals plant on Monday, February 20th. It scattered molten metal and debris that rained down on neighboring buildings. It killed one person and injured at least 14 people, mostly with burns from molten metal raining down on them, officials and witnesses said. The blast sent smoke billowing into the sky that could be seen for miles around. The damaged factory, about 15 miles southeast of Cleveland. The explosion of unknown origin at the Schumann and Company metals plant in Bedford drew fire departments from throughout northeast Ohio. Now, how do you not know how a whole plant explodes? How does a whole plant explode and anybody know? The only reason I can think of is if it was some type of explosive device. And it just seems like these are timed one after another. It's very, very, very strange how these keep happening. And this again is in Ohio. And there seems to be a war against white people going on, and this is right there in the heart of the most white part of the country. That's all for now.